Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish automatic 3008 SUV from the GT line specification. So this vehicle has 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's a black roof, you also get full LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with the speed limiter. On top of this there's some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.